What up, folks? This is your boy Ferris Lonely coming at you again. Remember that banner program I was telling you about? This is pulsating banners, and if you're out there advertising, it's cool to see if you have a. It's cool to use something like this to promote yourself and use banners to get attraction to your site. Like I said, a lot of times they have a low click-through rate, but if you have something like this just moving back and forth, there's a lot more action going on along with an animated banner. And I also have a company that I use. You can just go to that video down, go through my videos, find a company. I think it's my brain is on complete brain fart. I was supposed to check them out, but the company's listed down below. I did an advertisement for them, and they're a good company. They do fantastic work. If you're trying to convey a message through your banners, they will go above and beyond, because I've had several banners that I had made through them, and they make an image for you, and you just set the image up, and then you post, you put your link up where you're going to advertise your banner at. So they go off of 4 by 60 banners and 125 by 125, which is the little button banners that you have. You can promote this, but you're not really going to earn anything because they have not updated their payment processes. They're still using Payza. Promo tools. Of course, they have their own little pulsating banners going off. You can use some of these on traffic exchanges, and you can sign up for a free account. They're going to give you 1,000 clicks, which I got right there, 1,000 clicks. I would have upgraded, or bought some credits. But like I said, they only using Payza right now, and we know Payza is down. But sign up for your free account, at least get 1,000 clicks, 1,000 credits, 1,000 views for your banners throughout, different sites. And yeah. My banner. Anyway, I won't take up a bunch of your time. Anyway, this has been your boy Ferris Lonely. Just a real quick video. Wasn't gonna be long. Peace.